Good morning. How are you? Y'all, it's friggin' Bambi. Hello, darling. Did you bring your baby? What a sweet baby. Don't be scared. Don't be scared. Yeah, hello. Hello, baby. Look, it's a fawn, y'all. I don't know how old it is, but it's still got the dots, you know. Hello. Hello, darling. Hello, darling. Hello, sweetie. How are you? Yeah, you can eat those leaves. That needs trimmed, actually. It's okay. They're just ducks. They're just ducks. It's okay. It's okay. They're just ducks, darling. Yeah, they're just ducks. No worries. No worries, little one. No worries, little one. It's okay. Yes, it is. It's okay. But you need to stay away from humans, okay? Don't go near anybody else. Yeah, you gotta go with your family. Hurry up. Hurry along. Stay away from humans. Tell your friends.